Hey guys, wanna know how to book a demo in Krisp AI? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now first up, launch your favorite browser and type in krisp.ai. And after that, click on the first link and this should be the page provided to you. And once that is done, on the top right corner right here, you should see Book or Demo button. So simply click on it. Now here, you should type in your work email, your name, and then the product you want, which is a meeting assistant or Krisp for call centers. So just fill in your credentials and then you will be provided with question as well. So click on any that you like. You'll be provided with multiple questions, so you can choose accordingly as you wish. And now once you're done with all the questions, now simply click Start Pro Trial. Now here, you are provided with your plans. So you should fill in your credentials and then just simply click on Upgrade. And that's it. It's as easy as that. Now you can book a pro plan or a demo with Krisp. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more related videos. See you in the next one.